हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू वंस अगेन ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल डेली रीडिंग सेशन। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं एक आर्टिकल। व्हेन द जस्टिस ट्रूडो रिजाइन एज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ कनाडा इन जनवरी एमिड प्लमेटिंग अप्रूवल रेटिंग, many considered the Liberal Party dead and buried ahead the general election in that country. His replacement, Mark Carney, an unelected former central banker, faced the formidable task and securing and rescuing a flattening economy and reviving a fractured party. Then came Donald Trump as the US president began his second term. Canadian political discourse pivotal towards national pride in response to Trump's provocations, which include a suggestion to annex Canada as the 51st American states and a wave of new tariffs. These developments rallied Canadians and gave Carney a platform, riding a wave of anti-Trump sentiment. He has led the Liberals to a surprising, albeit narrow, electoral victory. Carney may have emerged as a face of the Liberal Party resurrection, but his challenges are far from over. He must now confront the serious economic headwinds and navigate an incre- increasingly unpredicted global landscape shaped by Canada's southern neighbors. For India, a significant aspect of elections was the downfall of Jagmeet Singh, leader of the New Democratic Party (NDA), who lost the parliamentary seat he had held since 2019. The NDP supported Trudeau's minority government from 2021 to 2024, but this time failed to meet the 12-seat threshold required for the official party status. With both Singh and Trudeau now relegated to the back seat, Carney's elections offer a potential reset in India-Canada relations, which have been strained for 1.5 years after Trudeau unsustained allegations against India over the killing of Khalistani separatist Hardeep Singh Nijjar. Nearly 2 million people of Indian origin live in Canada, and over 4 lakh Indian students currently study here. Beyond strong people-to-people tie, key sector of collaboration include pharmaceutical, agri-tech, energy, and climate change mitigation. Notably, trade between the two countries have remained largely unaffected by the diplomatic fallout. Canada has identified India as a critical re- reli- regional partner in its Indo-Pacific strategy, citing a shared interest in countering China's expanding influence. Carney's elections, therefore, in an opportunity for renewed cooperation, provided Canada is willing to address India's legitimate security concern on Khalistan issue. He has already signaled his intent to rebuild ties with India, calling the relationship incredibly important. Whether his government can go beyond the diplomatic gridlock of the Trudeau era and forge a meaningful alliance remains to be seen.